Welcome to First Glance Weather. I'm Jeffrey Gentry, your lead forecaster. This is First Glance Weather for Thursday, June the 1st, 2023. Now we're going to look at our morning low temperature for Thursday, June the 1st, 2023, and we're going to start out west, then work our way to the southeast. This is what we call west right here. And our temperatures look like upper 40s to mid 50s to upper 60s. That'd be in this area right in here. That's the upper 60s. North Central would be right here. And we're looking like North Central, mid 50s to upper 60s. Central Mid would be right here. And we look like we're in the mid 60s there. Central South, right here. And Central South, upper 60s to right around 70 degrees. In the Midwest, right there, we look like in the mid 60s. In the Northeast, looks like temperatures in the mid 50s. This is your overnight lows. And the Southeast, looks like we're in the upper 60s to mid 70s. Now these are our high temperatures for June the 1st, 2023, and we're going to start out west again. This is west. Look like upper 70s to lower 80s. North Central, looks like North Central would be upper 80s to lower 90s. Central Mid, looks like Central Mid would be upper 70s to lower 80s. And the far western part of Central Mid would be the 70s, and the eastern part of Central Mid would be in the upper 80s to upper 80s. Central South would be upper 80s to lower 90s, except in the Texas Panhandle of the upper 70s. In the Midwest, looks like upper 80s to lower 90s. In the Northeast, looks like upper 80s to lower 90s, and in the Southeast, upper 80s. Now this is our Florida overnight to early tomorrow morning around 6 a.m. Temperatures looks like in the north and northwest, temperatures in the lower 70s. Temperatures in central Florida would be in the mid 70s. And temperatures south would be in the mid to upper 70s. Pensacola 73, Panama City 70, Tallahassee 70, Gainesville 70, and 73 in Jacksonville. In Tampa area 73, Sarasota 72, Orlando 73, Daytona 73, and Palm Bay 74. Cape Coral 74, Port St. Lucie 72, West Palm Beach 76, and Miami 77, with showers and thunderstorms throughout the evening. Our daytime highs for Florida for tomorrow: in the northwest, in the north, and the northeast. It's like Pensacola 79, Panama City 80, Tallahassee 82, Jacksonville 82, and Gainesville 82, and Jacksonville 79. Sorry. In the central Florida, low to mid 80s. Tampa being the warmest, 86, Sarasota 85, Palm Bay 80, Orlando 81, and Daytona 80. In the South Florida, low to mid 80s. Cape Coral being the warmest in the south, 86 at Cape Coral. Miami's coming in at 82, West Palm 81, and Port St. Lucie at 82 degrees. Now this is a thunderstorm outlook for Thursday at 8 a.m., 2 p.m., and then again at 8 p.m. This is our 8 a.m. and looks like we're in between 20 and 30% for most of Florida. Just a little sliver of 40 to 50% on the East Coast. And out there where that low pressure system is we're looking at 50 to 70% chance of rain. This was at 6 a.m. Then at 2 p.m., the showers and thunderstorms will be developing, and looks like we're between 30 and 50%. For most of the southern 2/3 of Florida and northern Florida, we're at 20 to 30%. Then at 8 p.m., looks like about the whole state is no less than 30%, as high as 90% again in the south and southeast part of Florida, with the central part being 60 to 70%, and 60 to 70% goes up all the way up to Tallahassee, Gainesville, and then the rest of the state is between 30 and 50%. And so the east coast is, or the west coast of Florida would be 60%, and the east coast would be 60%. Now we're going to take a look at the national weather map. In the precipitation, we got scattered around the Texas Panhandle and scattered around Colorado, a little bit into Wyoming, Idaho, Montana, and a little bit into North Dakota and South Dakota. All this is scattered. Here's that area low pressure, and they're sending out training planes out there to take some samples of the atmosphere around that low pressure system that could slightly develop, but not likely, but it could develop into a tropical system. And this is the rain that we had today here in Florida from a piece of the energy that came off of this low pressure and moved east. Now this is our Pinellas daytime forecast. Our weather conditions will be thunderstorms, and our temperature will be 88 degrees, and we'll have winds from the east at 7 to 9 miles an hour, and the rain chances at 50% tomorrow. Now we're going to look at Thursday night's forecast. The weather conditions will be rain showers, and your wind to be from the east at 9, rain chances at 70%, and your low temperature of 71 degrees. Now we're going to look at the 5-day forecast coming up. In the 5-day weather forecast for Pinellas in your First Glance Weather Center for the next 5 days. Friday, we're looking at 80% chance of thunderstorms. Saturday, we're going down to 30%, and Sunday, 20%. And right now, we don't see no rain in Monday or Tuesday, but if that changes, we will definitely let you know. And your daytime high for Friday, 87. The overnight low is 68. 91 for Saturday, 66. Sunday, 85 and 67. Monday at 87 and 67. Tuesday, a little bit warmer, back up to 89 and 67. This is your next 5 days for Pinellas County. This is the National Weather Satellite. Shows a low pressure off to our west. That's this low pressure right out here. That's where they're taking samples are. And this is already, thunderstorms are already developing. And that's what's going to be affecting our weather for tomorrow. And like I said, a very slim possibility of a tropical system that might develop out of that, but it's very, very slim. I'm Jeffrey Gentry, your lead forecaster, First Glance Weather. We want to thank you for watching our YouTube channel, and that's our symbol for tomorrow, thunderstorms. And 4:00, we want to thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Have a great evening. We will see you tomorrow evening, Thursday evening, for Friday's forecast and in the next 5 days. And we'll get some updates on that low pressure system out west of us into the Gulf. Have a great evening, and we will see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.